Grinding perfection. Reviews of the top coffee machines with grinders. The integration of a grinder into a coffee machine is a marriage of convenience and flavor, allowing coffee enthusiasts to experience the full richness of freshly ground beans in every cup. In this article, we'll explore 5 top-rated coffee machines with built-in grinders, dissecting their features, pros, and cons to help you find the perfect grind and brew companion. 1. Breville BS 870XL Barista Express Espresso Machine. Pros: integrated conical burr grinder for precise grind size, dose control grinding for optimal coffee extraction, 15-bar Italian pump for authentic espresso, adjustable grind amount and grind size settings, steam wand for frothing milk. Cons: relatively large footprint, higher price point. 2. Cuisinart DGB 900 BC Grind and Brew Thermal 12-cup automatic coffee maker. Pros: fully programmable with auto shut-off feature, burr grinder with grind control settings, double wall insulated thermal carafe for temperature retention, charcoal water filter for purer taste, 24-hour programmability. Cons: grinder can be noisy. Some users report occasional maintenance issues. 3. Krups Grind and Brew Auto Start Maker with built-in burr coffee grinder. Pros: compact design suitable for smaller spaces, 5-setting conical burr grinder for versatility, auto start function for pre-programmed brewing, 10-cup capacity for serving multiple cups, integrated water filtration system. Cons: some users find the grinder fineness adjustment challenging. Plastic components may feel less durable. 4. Espresso 465 Coffee Team TS 10-cup digital coffee maker with conical burr grinder. Pros: large 10-cup capacity with a thermal carafe, 5 grind settings and 3 coffee strength options, programmable clock and timer for convenience, solid conical burr grinder for consistent grind, charcoal water filter for improved taste. Cons: the grinder can be loud. The thermal carafe may be challenging to clean. 5. Hamilton Beach Flex Brew single-serve coffee maker with grinder. Pros: single-serve versatility with the option to use ground coffee, adjustable cup rest for various mug sizes, programmable timer for auto start, compact design ideal for small kitchens, affordable price point. Cons: smaller water reservoir, limited to single-serve brewing. Conclusion: the best coffee machine with a grinder is a marriage of functionality and flavor, designed to cater to the preferences of discerning coffee enthusiasts. Whether you choose the versatile Breville Barista Express or the programmable Cuisinart Grind and Brew, the compact Krups Grind and Brew, the feature-rich Espresso Coffee Team TS, or the budget-friendly Hamilton Beach Flex Brew, each model offers a unique blend of features to elevate your coffee experience. Consider your brewing habits, desired features, and budget to find the grind and brew coffee machine that aligns perfectly with your coffee rituals.